Hello students, welcome to VIJETHA Institute. Today we are going to discuss about the SSC GD. So what is this SSC GD? SSC GD is related to Staff Selection Commission. GD is for General Duty. Staff Selection Commission for General Duty. SSC GD Constable. Total how many posts are there means total 84,000 posts are available. Form filling. Starting date 24th November 2023 and ending date for filling the form is 28th December 2023. Exam process. There are 4 stages in this. First is CBT, that is computer based test. It is a written exam. Physical efficiency test. Next later physical standard test. Next medical test. So the candidates who want to become SSC GD, he has to go through all these 4 stages. Computer based test. CBT, online exam. This is an online pattern. What are the subjects related to this? Means reasoning will be there. For 20 questions, 40 marks are there for reasoning. For general awareness, that is general studies, includes history, geography, economy, polity, general science, current affairs. Total 20 questions are there, 40 marks. Arithmetic, 20 questions are there, 40 marks. Arithmetic plus pure maths is there, but here mostly he will concentrate on arithmetic part. Very less marks will be given for pure maths, that is trigonometry, for the topics. So 20 questions, 40 minutes, 40 marks. So next is English language, that is 20 questions, 40 marks. Total 80 questions are available. So out of 80 questions, 160 marks are there. For 80 questions means for every question 2 marks are there. For negative marking 0.50 is there negative marking. For every question we are getting 45 seconds for every question. Total 80 questions are there. You need to complete it in 60 minutes. So you are getting 45 seconds for each question. So what is the age limit? General category age is 18 to 23 years. For OBCs, for BC candidates plus 3 years relaxation is there. For SC ST 5 years relaxation is there. Qualification is SSC GD qualification is 10th standard. So if you are 10th pass, you can apply for this post. What are the physical requirements means height for general SC and BC candidates 170 centimeters for male, 157 centimeters for female. For ST candidates 162.5 centimeters. For females 150 centimeters. Chest only for male. This physical requirement is only for male. For when expanded, it should be 80/5 for general SC and OBC. For ST, it should be 76/5. Physical efficiency test, that is PET. What will be there means for male candidates, they need to run for 5 kilometers. In 24 minutes, they need to do it. 5 kilometers, 24 minutes. For female candidates, it is 1.6 kilometers, means 1600 meters. 8.5 minutes are there for females. And for males, 1600 meters, that is 1.6 kilometers, 1600 meters, 6.5 minutes they need to cover. For females, 800 meters, in 4 minutes they need to cover. 800 meters in 4 minutes. So 2 are there 5 kilometers for male in 24 minutes, 1.6 kilometers for male in 6.5 minutes. For females it is 1.6 kilometers, 8.5 minutes, 800 meters in 4 minutes. SSC GD exam date. When this exam will be there? This exam will start from February 20th and ends on March 12th. March 12th last exam will be there, means from February 20 it will start. Slots will be there. From some students will get 20th, some students will get February 30, some student will get March 1st, like that slots will be there. So up to March 12th he has given the slots. What is the job profile? What job you will get when you crack this exam? GD Constable. Total it is of Constable cadre. GD Constable in BSF, GD Constable in ITBT, GD Constable in CISF, Constable in SSF, SSB, Constable in CRPF, Constable in Assam Rifles, Constable in SSF. Thank you students. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want to join this institute, you can come to this address. This institute is situated in Dilshnagar, opposite to the bus depot. For more details, you can contact to these numbers given here. Thank you. Thank you very much.